He's just singing, shake your booty, like you coolie.
Kind of lonely when
Come here, give it to mama. Go get the bowl. Come here, bug. What is that? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Dada. Stop it. Get down. Get down. I know. Get down. Come here, Mitch. Early in the morning, guys. Early in the morning.
Hi, guys.
Coffee, coffee. I heard you were playing.
I wasn't playing. I was looking at a video from Amazon Prime.
What are you looking for?
That was Cat Sense products.
Cat Sense? Why are you looking for Cat Sense?
I don't know. It's Amazon Prime Day, so he said the thing, and one of the reviews were in video, so I figured.
Morning, guys. I don't have any egg. I just have the bread, the burned bread. I don't like it. It's always burned.
Why is it always burnt?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You didn't do it wrong. Loaded the rack. Well, because it's sitting too close to the heating element. That's why it's burning like that.
Super duper pretty tong blush na to for everyday, guys.
Or lower the temperature.
Super.
I'm tired, guys. Jumping with Roxy. Right there. Right, Rox? Jumping with you, Rox? Jumping with you?
Nobody else will with this really bad haircut.
Sorry, Rox. That's how you look like anyway.
No, last time you gave her a good haircut. This time you gave her a really bad haircut.
No, hon.
Yes, hon.
The same head.
Hmm.
The same forehead, hon.
You cut it different.
Don't give me that look, Rox. she gave me the look. It was foggy, still a little bit foggy in the mountain. Tom is playing with the panda pup.
Yeah, but I don't get no free game.
No free?
No free. Free time, I guess, is over.
Yeah. Eat your din-din. Go eat your din-din. Don't hide from me. You look like anorexic. Eat. Go eat, Rox.
Missy don't care. She had her ham, she had her food, she had her turkey. She got it. You got it.
Oi.
You got the ham and your food you didn't eat.
Come here, Rox.
They get the same. She ate the ham only.
Come here, Rox. I'll mix it with your food.
She should be privileged.
Come here, baby. Look, this is the grill that you should get, but you didn't. That have stand already and stuff. It's charcoal, right? Yeah, it's charcoal. Let's look around, you know. I like this, guys. This is what I want for my porch and a light.
Those
Light to turn. Why? Oh, they have over there the flowers over there. Oh, they have a lot of fireplace outside. Wow.
Torches.
No, I'm talking different one torch on. Look at him. He cannot control himself, honey. Control. Okay, I'm gonna go look for a flower over here if they have that big one. Kasi naghanap ako ng malaki na flowers. This is another bonsai. No, is that bonsai? No, it's not. Like this. Ponytail palm. It's a palm. Nice. Ito yung hinahanap ko pero dapat malaki. This one right here. I'm looking for the big one. Wala sila dito eh. No, they don't have that. This is, I like that wood thing.
Table. Then you pull the top off, it's a fire pit.
Is it a table? No, I like that one better.
Which one? That one? Yeah, I kind of like that one.
Is this electric? Oh yeah, it's electric.
But then you put those stones in it. You don't not like this. But in the meantime, when you're not using a fire pit, you gotta pay it.
$300. Oh, this is gas?
Yeah, it's gas. So you put stones in it.
Ay, ito yun. Oh, they have it right here, guys. Yung malaki. Look, this one. Let me see how much is this. Because I want to put one inside the house. Sobrang laki naman. Let me see. Majestic plant. Is this lush tropical look? Daming flowers. They have a lot of flowers, guys. You can... Oh, ito, guys. Oh, herbal. Parang herbal ito sa atin, di ba? Right here. Ito yun. Let's see if... Oh, this is for outside, too. It's outdoor plant. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, we have this in the house. Do we? The front one? The yellow color? That we have that in the house. Oh, I remember my grandma. This one, huh? This one right here. I can replant this one though. This one, guys, pwede mo itong kunin at saka magplant ka ng sayo. Pero bawal yun. Bawal yun. Magkano ba to? $15. Hanging plant. I think he's planning to buy another one. Same height as him. Look at this guy. He's looking for like taller. He wants taller thing. So ito yun, guys. Ang kunin ko.
Small, right?
That's too small. A little bigger than that.
Weird to me because generally oil and latex paints don't work well.
I picked colors already. So this is gonna be the color of the whole body. It's a winter dawn. And the other one is ano ba yun? Ah, ito. The polar star. I almost picked this one, guys. But I always, I paint the whole house, so I know how the paint works. If you painted this, it will get darker, so I get this one instead. So this is the color it's gonna be. It's you cannot really see in the camera. It's different. Hold on, guys.
Are you sure you don't need to roll it? Because you're not gonna have another chance.
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go.
Oh, you don't really like the whole top of it?
No, I'm good.
You would roll it in a paintbrush?
A small handle.
These are. Oh,
No, a small handle because I cannot handle with it. Yeah. Make sure that it's a good brush. Then we have to get extra with this.
that one is supposed to be really smooth, but
Guys, Tommy was looking at my camera. He said, "Where's your camera?" And he believed me when I said,
yeah, no, he didn't believe you when you said that. I'm an idiot.
okay, why you don't believe?
Because I'm not an idiot.
We're done, guys. Oh my god, it's really expensive. The paint for furniture for a small teeny tiny can is $25, 24 something. And I think because we're in Lowe's, but in Home Depot I think it's kinda a little bit lower.
It's gotta be close to the same. They're very on par. It's just that kind of paint. So $75 to paint that. Then I like how it comes out because you're stuck with it.
Yeah. You know what? Boiled egg, when you bring it to work, it smells like fart.
Yeah, pretty much.
It is, right? Why is that?
Why?
Your whole office turned out like farting.
Yeah, that's what eggs smell.
Say it.
No, not into the camera. Hi,
Guys, she's just singing, guys.
Crap.
She's just singing. He's just singing. Shake your booty, like you coolie. What is that? What did you say?
Yeah, cooties.
Cooties.
In 1,000 feet.
Shake your booty.
Turn right. Onto Cottage Town Road.
What is cooties, son? What is cooties?
Cooties, like germs. Don't touch me, you got cooties.
Yay! like the convertible.
Yeah, BMW. Yeah.
Oh, it's BMW.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's nice. I always like nice cars. Expensive. Nice. That the same color, and remember the same color what you almost got me? The convertible one, but it's Toyota.
Yeah,
Is it
you're
Toyota?
right.
Baby blue. Very light blue, baby. Powder blue. Tommy almost got me that one. I'm so nervous of driving. I don't even want to deal with it. I don't. And then I wish I have that car.
I tried to talk you into it. You said no.
No, because you plan to buy a car for you, Tommy.
Yeah, but I had the truck. I could just keep it.
Yeah, but you tried to get rid of the car that you have a new one, remember?
I know, but as long as I had a second car, in case one breaks down, I was fine with that. That's what I tried to tell you. But you didn't care. You didn't want no.
I'm afraid of driving, guys. I'm so nervous, nervous. I cannot even look at the phone because I have to concentrate. Tommy's driving. I have to concentrate the way he drive, and because I feel like gonna in an accident.
Just read that driveway.
Yeah. It's a nice convertible. You're gonna have a wavy, like Tommy said, you're not gonna open the microwavable, the convertible one. You're not gonna open the roof because you're worried about your hair flying everywhere. And I have a really long hair, guys. If you've been watching my old videos, guys, I have a really long hair, and yeah, I had right, very long one, and everybody liked my hair, but
And now we call her Bob.
the bob cut that I don't like.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, Tom.
What's up, Bob?
Hi, Tom. That's for Silver.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that.
Are you kidding me, honey? You're afraid if I can catch you.
Are you kidding? What level are you on?
92.
Yeah, guessing it. 160. What level are you on?
360. You're 353. You're dreaming.
Close. What level are you on?
I don't know.
You haven't gotten to the hard one yet.
Psst.
Wait, the hard one's coming. They're calling you. Go say hello.
I'm gonna do show you.
You should say hello.
Mister, you want show?
Is that Ashley?
She look funny though.
Oh, Ashley called you silly looking. I got it.
You look funny, Rox.
She called you funny. You're ugly and your mama dresses you funny. Funny.
Behind your eyes, see you for a moment, even.
He's tired, guys. You've been sleeping outside.
I've been eating up my bugs outside.
Did you miss your wife?
Yes, hon. I don't miss a camera pointing in my nose.
Yeah, but this time your nose. Okay, explain. You don't just talk to me. Okay, why you miss her?
They're kind of lonely. No one around. Squidge.
So you
Squidge.
look at these two dogs, guys. Look at these two dogs. Roxy, share the bed. Share bed with your sister, oi. Scotch a little bit. Scotch a little bit. I'm planning to make just to bake the pork ribs, and that's the dinner. We're gonna eat 6:30, and yeah, 6:38. Tommy doesn't wanna leave late, like 2 weeks already, guys, that they leave like very late and they end up be in the house 12 o'clock midnight, and plus Tommy have to get up early. Alright, House is right here. Where you been, Bug? Where you been, Bug? He is my number one. Number one, very annoying. Buta, guys, buta. Ayhan, do you know what is buta?
Butang?
Buta. No, butang. You see butang?
Butang.
Butang is a thing. You know,
Butang
things.
is a clock.
Things. No, what is buta? Buta, blind.
Blind?
Huh?
Buta is blind?
Yeah, buta.
Is a blind person or blind like a blindfold?
Blind person. Anything blind. Animals, human. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have dinner very early because Tommy. I know. We turned the air conditioning and then the thing is open. Seems like we're wasting. Huh? It's really windy though. Honey, I wish you see Hobbs. I wish you seen Hobbs, honey. Be careful, there's papers in there. Tommy bring the ladder up here to fix the ceiling that he popped because we went to the second floor. We went to the attic because there's an attic up there, and we went over there to do, you know, to put something in the roof, you know, in the inside, inside side. And I said, Han, be careful because there's no floor in there yet. And what happened is like, pew! And just like, I just told him to be careful, and he ended up like, the color here is different. It's the color you can see now. That's what it looks like. Whatever you see color here, this is my filming room's color. And yeah, it's a blue. It's a baby blue. It's not even, I don't know if it's a baby blue. I need to buy curtains over here. I don't need blinds here, but I need curtains. But there is blinds over there, but I just really need curtains. That's a kind of area that it's kind of weird area. Right here, right here. I have a lot of paper on the floor because I have different kind of papers, like my bank account statement for long time ago. Hey lady, you are fresh now. Yes, you done showered, right? You done your shower, baby, right? The shower is done, my love. Coming in. In. You're clean anyway. You're good. Misty, come here, Mitch. Come here. I don't want the sleeper to be up here. Where's Roxy? Roxy! There's so many papers in there. Please don't eat my paper, huh? Roxy, come here. Good girl, baby. That's a good girl. If I call you, you come. That's a good girl. Yes, clean, baby. You smell super thick. You smell super thick, baby. You have a funny haircut. It's not everything the same length. Misty, come over here. Roxy, come here. I don't really usually close the bathroom, guys, up here. But downstairs always close. Good girl, Rox. Come here, give it to Mama. Go get the bowl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Roxy. Come here, give it to me. Come here, Rox. Where's the ball? Go give me the ball. Go get the ball. Roxy, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Where is it? She's looking for it. Go get the ball. You cannot find it? Go get the ball. It's right there, oh. It's right here. Oh, it's hiding. Come here, give it to me. Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama. Good girl. Good girl. You're such a good girl. You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You're such a good girl, baby. Yes. Come here. Come here. Give me Misty. Come here. Ah, you're crazy dog. You don't know how to bring it back. Go get the ball. Go get the ball, Rox. Go get the ball. Give it to Mama. Look at that, guys. Come here. Give it to Mama. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, baby. You're such a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are such a good girl. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. What are you looking here for?
Well, the razor was here, and now you hide it, and I get to hunt for it. It was upstairs in the drawer. You moved it down here. I found a little kidney dialysis cold bag.
What? Kidney dialysis bag?
A little cold bag. I said I like to use.
Yeah, that's from the other house.
No, I said I had it.
So you bring it here. Careful. Ay nako. Don't drop it. Oh, do you know? Did you touch the stud over there? Where's the stud? No, in the one that you're holding. Oh, make sure you put a perfect line. Why is it crooked? Hi guys, just got out from the shower. Punta muna ako sa baba kasi it's already 9 something, I think. I haven't touched my laptop since yesterday and today, just to spend a little bit time with Tommy, but you know, not totally spending time with him, but a little bit, you know, most of the time I did. But anyway, so it's already 9:08 and I'm gonna let them OYT out and I will see you later. You just like to be crazy, right? For no reason. What? Hey, Roxy. At least Misty is in the ground. That she will do. She will do her business. Yung kwaknet lumilip pa dun ay. Looks like a cat over there. I saw it. It's a, I think it's a squirrel, but it's not squirrel. I think it's a skunk. And the dog went crazy, Roxy. Good night, guys. I will end this vlog. I'm blue because there's the light blue in the wall, on the wall. And so there is an iPad right here. I'm watching TV. And there is a laptop right here editing the video. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm just gonna finish this editing for tomorrow's vlog, for tomorrow's video. And it's 10:35 already in the evening. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. Good night, guys. You see who is this over here? I'm with another guy. What?